Hey there, thanks for clicking and welcome to this tutorial. Today's tutorial is on overview of start screen of Microsoft Office applications. Before get started, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll talk to you there. Let me open an Excel file. When you first start most of the Office applications, you will see this type of screen. This is called start screen. If I open Word file, you will see almost same screen. This is the start screen of Excel 2016 and this is the start screen of Word 2016. In this tutorial, I'll focus on Excel start screen. Excel start screen is divided into two panels, left panel and right panel. Left panel, which is green in color, has many menus or tabs items. If you click a menu item in left, options related with the click menu will be displayed in the right panel. The first menu is Home, which contains options to create a new Excel file or open recently opened Excel file. This Home menu has submenus such as New, Recent and Pinned. The most important button under New menu is labeled as Blank Workbook. By clicking the Blank Workbook button, you can open a new blank Excel workbook. This is called Excel User Interface. The new Excel workbook contains a single initial worksheet, which is labeled as Sheet 1, and the workbook is labeled as Book 1. Now let me close the file and open the start screen once again. Okay. From here, you can use one of the many templates as the base of your new Excel file. You can also open recently opened file. From here, you will find 10 most recently used workbook under recent workbook or recent menu. And you can also find pinned file or pinned workbook from here if you have any pinned document. You can pin by right clicking from your mouse, then pin to list. Let's move on to the next menu, which is new. From new menu, you can also create a new file. You can also create a new blank file or predefined template. You can use this template as the basis of your Excel document. There are many tutorials available under new. If you want to use the tutorial on drop down or pie chart tutorial, then click it. This window will appear. Then from here, just click on create. From here, you can learn how to create pie chart. Okay, just click here. I'm not going to discuss details on this. Just close it. Don't save. Open startup screen again. New. From the search box here, you can search related templates online too, or click the category here to find more template related to the click category. If I click chart related predefined template will be appeared here. You can click any of them according to your needs. The next menu is Open. Open menu let you open recent workbooks as well as workbooks you saved to your OneDrive or on your computer. You can open an Excel file from a list of recently opened Excel workbook or folder from here. By default, you will find 25 more recently used workbooks under Workbooks menu here. If you find it's not enough, click this option menu here. This window will appear. This is known as Options dialog box. From here, click the Advanced, then scroll down to Display section. From here, show this number of recent workbooks. Currently it is 25. Let's set it 40. You can choose any number between 0 and 50. Now click OK. Close it. Open the screen again. Open Workbook. Now you will find 40 most recently used workbook under Workbook menu. You can also open recently used folder from here, or you can also open your targeted file from OneDrive or this PC, or browse from your driver. The next menu down here is Account. This tab let you help to access your Microsoft account information, modify your theme and background. Now let me change the office theme. My current theme is white. Now let's change it to dark gray. You can see the changes here. Then colorful. So you can change the theme, office theme from here. Now let me change the office background. My current background is circle and strips. If you hover over on the list item, you can see the change on the right, on the top right corner. So change the background as you like. You can also sign out and sign in from here to Microsoft account, and here the updated option and about Excel file, and this option is for the Microsoft Office product key. Next menu is Feedback. Feedback menu can be used to send feedback about Excel program to Microsoft Excel development tool. You can see into your review from here. The next menu is Options. Options menu allow you to configure the features and options related with the Excel program. Next menu is Options. If you click these options, a separate window will open. This is known as Excel Options window. In Excel Options window, you can configure different Excel features. From General tab, you can change the default font style, font size, and number of sheet, username, and others. If you don't want to show the Excel start screen, Excel has the option to remove it. Now let me show how to do that. Click Options. Here under General tab, scroll down to Startup Options. Uncheck this box, then click OK. Now close the Excel and open it again. Now you can directly access the Excel user interface. Following same ways, you can customize other Microsoft Office applications like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. So that's the overview of start screen of Microsoft Office application. I hope you have found this lesson useful. Subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.